Right, so this is the second lookup check program. And in this case, we've got a much longer uh, list of options. So I've gone for grades between 1 and 9. Sometimes it's the alphabet you need and symbols and all sorts of things, or names. And so it's less practical than doing it in the way that we did in the previous one, where we only had two options. So you can set up an array of your options first, and I'm going for a goal equals what grade are you aiming for in your computer science GCSE. Notice it's an integer. Dot strip doesn't work with integers, so that's not there. And we've got while goal not in grades. So if you remember from the previous one, it was while year not in, no, while answer not in, and then the list was there. You now just need to put the name of the list. And the same as before, print followed by the input question again to stop the infinite loop, and finishing with just a little bit of selection from just to finish the program nicely. Notice the backslash character here. You'll probably remember why that's there, but let me remind you. That's because I've used single speech marks. I like single speech marks to open and close my strings, and because I've got the apostrophe here, without that backslash, you see the colour's gone purple, that the string is closed there at let, and if I run it, I should get a syntax error. So I've got a syntax error, line 14, and that is because the string's being closed. The backslash is an escape character, and so it will not close the string there. So let's test this as we always would. So we are aiming, what grade are we aiming for? Let's say we're aiming for grade 0. It's not a valid grade. We want a grade 10. That's not a valid grade. Let's have a grade 3. And the answer says, I think you should aim higher. I totally agree. So let's run it again. And this time I'm going to go for an 8. And let's go for it so it works. So lots of testing. Lots of you don't test enough when you do your Replit tasks. You just submit them, and when I test them I find little errors. So lots more testing, please.